Presidential candidate of Labour Party Peter Gregory Obi don tok say if Naija pipo vote am as presido for 2023 election, he go recover Naija and make sure say dem fight corruption wella. Obi tok dis one wen e carry waka enter Edo State for di Labour Party rally wey shele for Baptist Convention ground for Benin City. Supporters of Peter Obi, when pipo sabi as Obedient, come out plenty to welcome their candidate and show support. Peter Obi come promise Edo pipo say under him watch as presido, Naija go take care of the citizens, secure Naija and make Naija productive. Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News. No forget your PVC na be your power. No tell I'm giving any politician on election day.